This tutorial will familiarize you with the overall layout and features of PolyLearn. One of the first things you'll notice about PolyLearn is its block-style design. PolyLearn organizes course content by topics or weeks. Students simply scroll down to the appropriate topic or week and view relevant assignments, documents, and tests. On the left, there are also two standard blocks on every page: navigation and administration. The navigation block shows contextual links like My Home and My Profile and course participants. The breadcrumb navigation bar in the header allows you to keep track of your location within PolyLearn. The administration block provides course administration and settings, as well as settings for anything else you have permissions for. While creating an activity or resource, the settings will change to fit that tool. These blocks can be minimized to a dock on the left side of the window to facilitate quicker access or a larger view of the main content area by clicking on this button in the upper right corner of the block. The newly docked block expands into a menu when clicked and can be moved back to its original position by clicking this button in the upper right corner of the menu. Note the Turn Editing On or Off button in the upper right corner of PolyLearn course page within the administration block. This allows you to edit directly on the course page. Turning editing on allows you to add, change, delete, or move items in a course. This is what the course looks like when editing is turned off, similar to the student's view. But when editing is turned on, as it is here, editing icons appear in or next to the blocks and items that can be modified. Instructors can click on these icons to edit title, move vertically, horizontally, update, duplicate, delete, hide, manage groups, and assign roles. While editing is turned on, the first section of the topic or weekly outline can be edited due to include a course image, name, and summary using the HTML editor. This section is a great place to post course information like the syllabus, calendar, and office hours. The Edit Summary tool is also available on the top of the other topics or weekly sections. One handy editing tool is Duplicate. Activities like quizzes, wikis, and assignments can be duplicated and placed elsewhere in the course. This is useful for recurring activities like homework assignments. Let's look at the topic sections a little closer. Each week or topic section has an Add Activity or Resource link. Choosing this link enables the instructor to add activities such as assignments, chat, choice, forum, glossary, lesson, wiki, questionnaire, quiz, survey, and workshop, as well as resources such as the book, file, folder, label, page, and URL. Now let's look at the other blocks on the course homepage. The calendar block is a great way for students to quickly view what's due and requirements. While course due dates are generated automatically by creating a due date within an activity, you can add a new event by clicking on the New Event button. Students can only add a user type of event, whereas instructors can add course, user, and group types of events. The Quickmail block allows you to compose an email to all the students in your class, select individual students, or email by group. This tool also includes saving drafts, using a signature, viewing history, and attaching files to zip folders. You can also configure Quickmail to make it available to students for emailing their classmates and instructor. The Activities block is another feature of the PolyLearn that makes finding course content a breeze for students. They'll no longer need to scroll through a long list of documents, folders, and assignments to find a single item. The Activities block segregates activities by assignments, forums, quizzes, and resources. The students will be able to view all the assignments ever posted to the course by clicking on the assignment link. The same goes for the other three types of activities. When an activity is chosen, additional information like due date, submission status, and grade is presented for the student to view. The Comments block appears on many pages by default and allows students to post questions or comments about that page or item. For instance, a resource item like the syllabus can have comments posted to it. If you prefer not to have the comments added to the page, turn editing on and click on the icon to hide the block. This goes for any other block as well. except for navigation and administration. Finally, a feature instructors will find very useful is the Switch Role To tool in the Settings block. This tool allows instructors to view the course as a grader or student. Instructors can return to their role by clicking the Return to My Normal Role link. Don't forget to visit the PolyLearn support site for quick video and text tutorials if you're confused about any feature of PolyLearn. You can access it easily from the PolyLearn by scrolling up to the header and clicking on the PolyLearn support site link.